What's up, beautiful people? Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. You know I do. Girl. Welcome back for another tutorial. Look at us. Sometimes you just gotta jump on a tutorial when you can. I'm gonna put a little lip balm on for your butt. That's about it. We're gonna show you how I basically do a twist out on this hair. It's not from the beginning, so I do apologize. Is this a catfish moment? Did I get you? Was this a prank? No, you don't have to think of it like that. But basically, I was about to retwist my hair, and I'm like, you know what? Let me show them. Because the one thing about my hair being colored, what I remember before, is that this hair can loosen up over time. Like, it's not gonna always just stay, you know, nice and tight. So I do have to retwist more than often, but you know, also keeping it moisturized. So that's what we're about to do. And I've been pulling on it, so I hope you guys are enjoying these tutorials, because I really need to go back to wearing my hair straight so that I can retain this length, because right now I'm back to pulling on it and my ends are screaming. Okay. And then just some water. But one of the harder things I'm realizing with this colored hair is that if I put too much product in it, even like my regular, you know, hair state, is that it's gonna get a little way down. So I'm gonna make sure not to put too much, because I want it to still be big and fluffy. And sometimes when you do the most, it just does not help. What we're doing, that was way too much. I don't know why I did that. I'm basically refreshing my hair, and I really need to do a 3-strand twist out, which, you know, certain things you just know from getting your hair colored, and I already know that I have to do certain styles instead. So a 3-strand twist out really helps. So that's what we're gonna do, but basically a twist up 3-strand on my now colored hair, which I'm loving, because like, and like the girl said, she was like, you know, you can go to a salon or come back. I can come back to her and get a little bit more like lighter pieces in there. But I low-key like the fact that the hair is like the color that it is. It matches my skin tone really good. I feel like we're kind of getting a little chocolate, a little caramel action going. Like, I'm like, is school giving me bags under my eyes? I come against it. I come against any bags that think it can have a place here. It cannot. You do not belong here, okay? So basically, you're wrapping that bottom piece over the top 2 pieces. A lot of people like to start off with a braid, and that is definitely helpful. And I always like to show it this way too. So you got 3 strands, and that outer piece is wrapping over the other 2 pieces, and you're just rotating it. So I'm taking this one and I'm wrapping it over it. But try to always keep it as tight as possible. You're a little frizzy, ain't it? What's that about? I really want to get a trim, because I want to give y'all a perm rod set. Do y'all want a perm rod set? Let me know, because we can make that happen for you. Y'all remember when I used to sit and do tutorials for y'all? I have been in this bathroom, okay? This bathroom just been more convenient. I don't know. I may go back and sit down and do it where I normally do it, but y'all can still see the polka dots. I feel like it's still like a happy medium, you know? No? Okay. So once again, and I'm rotating it. they need some rides, okay? Be lazy with colored hair. You really can't. So take the whole piece, wrap it on the ride as best as I can. I just roll it up. Alright, I'm gonna finish this out and I'll see y'all probably in the morning to show y'all the whole takedown, okay? Okay, bye-bye. Also too, my phone forced itself to update and I thought that was rude. I'll wait as long as I can. I do not update my phone. But let's put this case back on. Hold on. Oh, don't be talking. Y'all know what? I wish I could recreate this outfit today. Now, I can't recreate the hat, but make sure y'all follow her. Fire, fire, fire outfits. Can I recreate this? I have a crop. We get married first over here. But isn't it like that though? Right when you tell your friend about somebody, like, girl, let me tell you about this guy. All of a sudden that man mess up. All of a sudden, now he ain't got no sense. All of a sudden now he don't want to text back. I just need to edit these. Okay, so number one, Instagram, as I'm filming this for y'all, no one still, like, to this day, no one knows that my hair is colored. And, like, it's a big thing, right? I'm gonna hype it up. But, so I still have this old content of my hair still being black that I need to get out because I don't want to basically confuse y'all. But some of y'all probably know by now, like, most influencers, we have, like, we stack content, which basically means we film a whole bunch of content that may not go out until months later, or for some people like a week later. This girl I follow on YouTube, she had started gathering her content like almost 8 months back. She basically batches her content and films like these cool different ideas, but she still has to wait for the stuff to get in, or she really wants to experiment with it. So it may take her 6 months of filming and we don't see it until, you know, she's ready to drop it. And you thinking like, oh, she filmed this 2 days ago. No, it's been 6 months. So I'm not that far with it, but this is like 2 weeks old and I need to get this out. So are you a straight natural? Brown could come through. I think I'm willing to sacrifice one set of these lashes to do that, just so that we're looking cohesive. I'm not gonna put too much, but just a little bit. You know, make sure it fits your eyes. All right, so I'm going to stretch this out. So here's our before. Let's go. That is how I fluff my hair. We go in layers. Pull this part back down. What that needs to do. I really need that to be shaped a little bit better. you shine your light on me? Won't you shine your light on me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright, we gotta go. We gotta skedaddle. Let me know if you didn't see the other video. How are you liking the hair color? Like I said, we thought about me going back and getting some more pop of color, but honestly, I like this. I like it just like this. Wow. Okay. Let me know what style y'all want to see with the color. Yes, I'm gonna give y'all a perm route. I said, don't you worry. Okay? So yeah, I hope y'all find this video educating, a little entertaining. Let your girl know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Join my beautiful people crew, booty boo. And as always, I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. 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 Hey. Peace.